Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching. Today I want to talk about what I believe is the best online business that you can start in 2019, especially if you're a beginner. And I use a sales funnel system to create multiple streams of income. And that sales funnel system that I use is called Funnel X ROI. And there's 5 income streams inside of it. There's a main business opportunity, and then there are 4 other income streams that complement the business opportunity. And I just want to give you an overview of how it works and how anybody can do this, even if you've never done this before. Now here I have a diagram that I made, and it's a little crude because it's kind of difficult for me to draw on this thing. I'm not an artist, but basically this is how the sales funnel system works. You drive traffic to an opt-in page. Where do you get these opt-in pages? First of all, an opt-in page is a page that has like an enticing headline and sub-headline, and also has an area where someone can put in their email address to get more information about your opportunity. Now, inside the Funnel X ROI system, you have access to several different opt-in pages that you can use to drive traffic to it. And I think there's over 11 of these that you can use. So there's plenty of variety. The people who are using this sales funnel system, we're not all using the same exact opt-in page to drive traffic to, so people aren't seeing the same page over and over again. So that's a good thing. So with the opt-in page, people put in their email address wanting more information about your opportunity. So you drive traffic to the opt-in page, they put in their email address, and then they're taken to the Funnel X ROI video sales letter and activation page. And that's what this page is, the $300 per day system. There's a video here from David Deacle. He explains about Funnel X ROI, and then you're given the opportunity to activate your own Funnel X ROI system. It's completely free to activate your own system. All you have to do is put your first last name in and your email address, and it lets you in. Okay? And going back to the page here, this funnel here, once people activate their Funnel X ROI, then they get taken to a page where they can set up their system. And that is this page right here. It has a video here which says start here. Again, another video by David Deacle. It's about a 10.5-minute video introducing you to Funnel X ROI and how it works, and giving you an overview of how to set up the system. You can join his YouTube channel and join the Facebook group for Funnel X. And there's another video showing his case study of how he made a 509% return on investment using this exact same system. And then after you've gone through that, there's a big orange button that says continue to next step. So you just click on that to go to the next step to set up your income streams. Or you can go up here where it says start here. And then here, the next step is to configure the first income stream, which is the main business opportunity. And then just continue down and configure the other income streams. Okay? So that's how that works. Not only when they enter their email address on the opt-in page do they go to the activation page for Funnel X ROI, they also end up on your email list. Okay? And you're saying, well, I don't have an email list. That's perfectly okay. What happens is that when you set up your Funnel X ROI system, the second income stream is an email autoresponder called Aweber. Okay? And in Aweber, you can set up automatic emails that go out every single day to your email list, so you can build your list from this sales funnel system. Now with the email followers, maybe you don't know what to email your list. That's perfectly fine too, because David Deacle has already written an email follow-up series, I think it's almost 90 days long, that you can plug into your Aweber account, and then when people sign up onto your email list, when they enter their email on the opt-in page, they automatically start receiving emails every day, and they're already written by David Deacle. So you just plug it into your Aweber account, and it automatically sends out those emails, and those emails will redirect those people back to the activation page, okay? Because the majority of people who go to this page, the Funnel X ROI page, to where it asks them to activate their system, most people aren't going to do it the first time. They'll have to see the offer several times before they decide to activate their Funnel X ROI system. So that's why you need to follow up with your leads using email, okay? So that's basically how that works. And then once they activate, they go to the Funnel X ROI setup page, which is this, and then they go and set up their income streams. And that's when you are able to make commissions, when they set up their income streams, okay? So, and there's some bonuses also in the back office when you activate your Funnel X ROI and you set up your income streams. You'll get access to certain bonuses that will help you to grow your business and make even more commissions. All right, so that's basically how it works. And the traffic part, well, you may be saying, like, I don't know how to drive traffic to an offer. I mean, how do I drive traffic to my opt-in page? I know nothing about it. Well, David Deacle has a section in the back office of Funnel X ROI. If you go down here after you finish setting up all of your income streams, there's a link that says how to promote and start earning commissions. When you click on that, this is where David Deacle has an almost 51-minute video talking about his secret traffic source and how he uses it to make commissions from promoting this sales funnel system. And he shows you what that secret traffic source is. He also shows you how to set up to buy traffic, how to get that traffic going to your sales funnel system. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, if you're still not comfortable about doing that on your own, there is another way that you can make get traffic to your system. And let me go down here, and that's the Team Traffic Co-op Rotator. You can be part of the Team Traffic Co-op Rotator, and you don't have to worry about finding your own traffic source or using his secret traffic source. The Traffic Co-op Rotator will just add your link to your sales funnel, your link to the sales funnel, and the Co-op Traffic Rotator that will show your link on a rotating basis and drive traffic to your opt-in page, okay? Your opt-in page is the link, all right? Your opt-in page is the link that you're using, all right? So that's basically how that works. Some other benefits of using Funnel X ROI. The first main income stream, which is the business opportunity, you become eligible to receive 100% instant commissions when you join that particular business. And then there's also the other income streams. There are one-time commissions. One of them is a monthly residual commission. That's AWeber. There's another one that's weekly residual commissions. So you have the ability to earn 100% instant commissions paid directly to you. One-time commissions, monthly residual commissions, and weekly residual commissions. So, and then of course, you learn how to drive traffic using David Deacle's secret traffic source, or you can just join the Co-op Rotator and get traffic that way. And you also get access to the automatic follow-up emails that are already written for you. You just plug it into your AWeber account and they automatically get sent to people on your list when they join your list through your opt-in page. All you have to do is promote one link, your opt-in page link. You promote that one link and the sales funnel system will promote all of the other income streams for you. So you don't have to talk about these other income streams. All you have to do is promote the link to one of these lead capture pages or opt-in pages, and then when people put in their email address to get more information, they go here to find out more about Funnel X ROI, and then they're given the opportunity to activate their own Funnel X ROI system, and then they can set up their income streams, okay? So that's basically how Funnel X ROI works. Anyone can do this, and this is a great system that a beginner can use to start earning commissions. So if you're interested in Funnel X ROI, go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area so you can receive more information about how all of this works. Again, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.